So I was scrolling through Twitter just now, and I read a tweet from Vox.com. That was my first mistake. That said, just a decade ago, the average American with health insurance had a deductible of $303. Flash forward just one decade, and that number now sits at $1,350. It's true. Deductibles have skyrocketed. Coincidentally, they've grown by 212% since we heard this.
If you have insurance that you like, then you will be able to keep that insurance.
And this.
And if you already have health care, then we're going to work with your employer to lower your premiums by up to $2,500 per family per year.
Yeah, I'm not a math person, but I don't think those numbers add up. Surprise! It's almost as if the Republicans actually knew what they were talking about when they warned of this very thing.
It'll make healthcare much more expensive.
This bill does not control costs.
There are going to be some insurance premium increases.
That premiums will rise in the individual market.
Insurance premiums for families in America will go up.
But those are like old white men. What do they know? As expected by, I don't know, all of us living here in the real world, the math of incentivizing young, healthy people to stay off insurance plans while forcing health insurance companies to cover all sick people didn't add up. Especially when Obamacare did nothing, zero, to control where the high costs actually begin. For starters, hospitals are jacking up the price of literally everything they can. Need a Tylenol to control your pain in the ER? That'll be $15 each, please. Oh, and an extra $10 for the little plastic cup. Research has shown patients are billed over $5,000 during an average hospital stay for gloves. And what's really only a $100 visit can result in a $1,250 bill. Yeah, that's not ethical. And don't even get me started on the cost of prescription drugs. Your insurance company is paying the bulk of those bills. When their costs go up, so do yours. Breaking news, that's how business works. All you angry people out there, just remember the lies you were sold.
If you like your health care plan, you can keep your health care plan.
From the people who admitted they thought you were too stupid to figure it out.
Lack of transparency is a huge political advantage. And basically, call it the stupidity of the American voter or whatever. But basically, that was really, really critical to getting the thing to pass.
And before we go, we got to give a shout out to this gem.
But we have to pass the bill so that you can find out what is in it.
Yeah, we found out what was in it, Nance. Less quality care and higher costs trickled down to you, the consumer. And if you like that, you'll love single payer. Raise your hand if you think it's a good idea to give these people more control over your health care. Didn't think so. If you like this video, share it with your friends and sound off in the comments below. And don't forget to go click on that thumbs up on my page for more like it.